So this is the last example. What we see here is that we are given three different terms. So we're given three terms rather than rather than two terms all at once. But what we do notice about them is that they all have the same base. Remember, they have a base of 10. And this question is read as the log of 15 plus the log of 4 subtracted by the log of 6. So what you would do here is work with your order of operations, right? We're going to first work with these two. We're going to get an answer, and then we'll subtract it by the log of 6. So with that first with that first pair of logarithms, we have the log of 15 plus the log of 4. Remember, two terms. They both have a log, they have the same base, so I can represent that as a single logarithm by using my product rule, and this would simplify down to the log of 15 times 4. And with that, I'll just bring down this minus the log of 6 so that we don't forget about it. But you remember, you are working with only this part right now. So 15 times 4, if you take out your calculators, you should get 15 times 4 simplifies down to, what is it? I think it's 60. So this will simplify down to the log of 60 minus the log of 6. And then once you have used that product rule, then you can go ahead and now use your quotient rule to simplify this even more, and then just subtract those two. So because they are being subtracted, you're going to go ahead and divide out your answer. So this would be a single logarithm. It would be the log of 60 over 6, which simplifies down to just the log of 10. And that's your answer. So just as a recap, remember, let me try to not get a pen. Okay, so just as a recap, remember what's different here than the other assignment from earlier in the week is that now you might have to use more than one of these rules at once. You use them the same way, and there's no really right way to use them, like right order to use them. However, it is a good idea to always start with that power rule first. If you see any coefficients, I would first change those into exponents the way that we did here, and then you can use those power or those product rules. If it's given to you in three terms, just make sure you go from left to right, use your order of operations, and then just simplify accordingly. Okay, so if you guys have any questions, let me know, and you guys will be getting some classwork on this. Thanks.